Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram repost option not showing. Instagram recently updated their app that you now be able to repost videos and reels as well, and you can also see videos your friends reposted and liked. So if your own haven't been showing that feature, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing is, let's see how the repost look like so that you'll be able to understand what I mean. So this is my Instagram, and this is where the icon is right here. This is the repost. You can repost videos just like this, and you're going to go to your profile right here. See the report icon there, so you'll be able to see the video you just reposted right here. So if yours is not showing this, the first step you have to take, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update your Instagram app. So Instagram, if yours is showing updates, you click on update and you click on open, so it's going to bring you to your Instagram. So that is how to fix it. But if after updating it you haven't seen yours, the next step you have to do is go to your profile, click on this three horizontal line on top of your screen, and you click down to help right here, and you can see report a problem. Click on it, report a problem right here. So you're going to click on include, and you're going to type in the problem, fix repost option, repost option not showing. So you're going to send it, and they are going to answer you within 24 hours. So that's actually how to fix a repost option not showing on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.